Alright, so we start with the Arduino Zero, and we can see here it's got pin 26 in ground. It goes up and it connects to the back of the button for the garage door. So you can see the soldering on the two pieces of the bottom part of the button. Now, this cable here is my on-off power, and I have my tablet connected on there.
That is mine.
Rory's tablet connected on there with our program.
My old one.
If you can hit enter for me, Roar. And once she does that, yes?
I already did it.
Alright. Oh, you already hit enter? Alright. Oh, so we have to hit one more. One more command we have to run. Where is it? Not that one. Not that one. Oh, value equals 0. Value equals 1. Oh. Oh.
Oh, Father.
Alright, hold on.